Hey bro, question for you. So my freeze plug has been giving me issues, and I decided what I'm gonna do is remove this entire AC compressor assembly so I can actually get to the freeze plug, which is back in there. Okay. So my question for you is, this is obviously a pressurized system. Because I have to remove this. There's like a bracket panel. Oh, it has been running. Don't worry, sister. I'm trying to stop these leaks. Bro, that's funny. That's funny. But so I got to remove this thing, and my question to you is, how do I purge this? Like, is it simply like depressing that little? Obviously, I don't want to inhale the refrigerant, and I get technically it's illegal to do that. But I don't want to be like, because I see the connection points. I'm gonna pull the belt off, and then there's like this cross member there. There's one up back. I see the connection points. So my question to you is the pressurized lines. Do I need to worry about them? Should I vent it? What should I do?